Have you guys ever walked into the garden section of Menards and enjoyed the smell of fresh flowers and plants? Or have you ever shopped at Shabani's Garden Center to pick up different seed packets to grow your own food? If you have, we can be botanist nerds together. If you haven't, you can become a botanist nerd today. In today's demonstration, I will be taking you through the materials needed to plant a seed, the steps on how to plant and care for your seeds throughout their growth, and finally, how planting seeds is beneficial to our society and our environment. Let's get our hands dirty and begin this planting process. To start this planting journey off, we must head out to our local garden center to pick up the materials and a variety of seeds of plants and food you would want to grow. According to the Menards website, they have anywhere from a seed starter kit to seeds to grow your own organic fruits and vegetables. I recommend getting the seed starter kit if you've never planted a seed before, as they're easier for beginners to use. However, today we'll be buying a red clay planter's pot that only costs $2.22, some soil, gardening gloves, and any seed packets that are appealing to you. I will be planting parsley seeds, which are known for their tasty leaves being garnishes on any dish. The final thing you will need is some water. You can use a water bottle to water your seeds in a plant, or if you're planting seeds in a garden, it's beneficial to use a hose or a watering can. After taking a quick trip to our garden center, we're able to start this life of this not-so-little plant. Every seed packet on the back usually has a small description of what the plant is and little growing tips to go along with it. Some seed packets may even have a map of the United States to show the planting time period best for each plant in a different region. If you're afraid of getting your hands dirty, it's probably best to use those gardening gloves we had bought earlier. The first step in this messy process is to dump your soil in your pot. You want to make sure you leave about an inch above the surface so it helps protect overflow. Some people may even add gravel or rocks into the pot, as Martha Stewart claims it helps benefit the drainage system. However, putting rocks and gravel in the pot does not benefit the drainage system. All it does is just move water around the pot. The next step is to make a hole. Depending upon what type of seeds you have, it'll tell you on the back how deep you need to make your hole. With parsley seeds, I need to have the hole be about 1/4 deep. So what you want to do is put your finger in and kind of swirl around and make the hole deep enough as what it says on the back of the seed packet. Then here you can open up your seed packet and dump about a handful of seeds in your hand and put them in the hole. You want to make sure you have enough seeds so in case some seeds don't grow during the process and you can have more than one seedling. Finally, you can lightly cover the hole back up with the excess soil that you had and take your water and water around the whole pot. And there you go. You have successfully planted your first seed. Remember to put the pot in a sunny area and water every other day or when the soil begins to dry out. Now, you guys may be wondering, what has planting a seed got to do with benefiting our society and our environment? For benefiting our environment, according to betterseed.org, planting seeds can help contribute to healthy landscapes, stable ecosystems, builds biodiversity, and helps control erosion. Planting seeds will help restore the environment after natural disasters, wildfires, or from invasive plant species. For benefiting our society, according to rasmussen.edu, gardening at an early age will help encourage children to eat healthier as they can grow their own food, provides engaging exercise, builds STEM and analytical behaviors, improves memory and focus, and overall creates a positive environment as gardening is a huge stress reliever. Whenever I'm having a bad day, I usually go and get some fresh soil and seed packets from my gardening kit and pots to new plants. As we begin to clean up our area of excess soil and seeds that did not make it into the pot, we're able to take a quick recap for the future and anytime you want to plant a seed. Today, we took a quick trip to our local garden center to grab the necessary materials. Then we went home and I showed you how simple it is to plant and care for your seeds throughout their growth. And finally, we finally, we looked into how planting seeds is beneficial to our society and our environment. Whenever you drive around CB or Omaha, you will likely see plants starting to regrow for the spring season. I hope when you see these plants, it will make you think of this speech and make you want to go plant some seeds. Venture out. Thank you for your time, and venture out there to become botanist nerds.